So I forgot to record a video. What I've done is I've taken the front bumper off, rear bumper off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the car on 4 wheels up in the air, leave it on axle stands and see what we can do with the rear trailing arms and everything like that as well. And also that bit as well. Fucking battery acids leave on there. Clean everything up really. It doesn't look too bad. See that? Underseal it all as well. Protect it from the rust. Rear lights are going to come off as well today. Car is now up in the air on the axle stands. See how much rust there is, literally all that. Even the inside as well, it's all dirty and there's no splash guards. It's not much rust, it's not literally zero rust, but I need to get rid of all that. Just going to slowly do it now, get the jet wash out. I've got my mate who's going to be holding the phone. I'm going to show you exactly what's going on here. We gave it the first rinse. If you look underneath here, look. See that? This was all messy as where's the light? I'm going to clean the wheels up as well. I think I'm going to leave it off the wheels because it is going to be parked up for a little while, so I can do all the work before I take it all out. I've got a body club on it, which was on there before. That's never been on the car anyway. Half a year, I reckon. Half a year, 1 year. By the previous owner. Start cleaning the interior slowly. The interior is going to be thorough cleaned as well. The seats ain't too bad. I'm going to get a new bolster here as well. Keep it all fresh. Nasty. I've got the wheels here. See how dirty they are.
Yeah, they look.
They are. No, these are Shadow Chrome Enkai RPF ones. I bought these brand new from America. They do it RS tyres on it. Pretty fresh tyres. But I think I'm going to change the tyres for 2 slightly wider tyres to put on there. The car's going to go for a full repaint once I'm done with it. It's a pearl yellow colour, S2000 colour. I've got to stick with the original Honda colours, you know. Yo, this is an M5.
No shit.
It's running 750 brake. It's got the downpipes and everything in it.
Pop the hood.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. I'm going to fit a diffuser on this now. Let me show you the diffuser. We've had this diffuser for quite some time now. So what we're going to do, yeah, it's like this. It's going to go on like that. What do you reckon? Looks good, yeah?
Yeah. Got some Vorsteiners on this.
Amazing interior. I've driven it a few times as well. Ooh, what do you reckon? C63 or this? I don't know, man. I don't know.
This.
They're both in different leagues, you know. Like you got turbo and then you got NAs. You know, he's a turbo guy, innit? He's always had turbo cars from the start. You never owned a NA car, have you?
Never owned an NA car.
You know, mate. You need to own a.
Yeah.
You need to see what the NA is all about.
Nah. I'm boost lad.
What's that time when you drove that K24 EK, man?
Fucking rapid, man. Yeah. Your high comp one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you reckon that's faster than this? I don't know.
Nah, it's light, but I don't know about.
Dude, I almost had you.
Car makes you feel like it gives you that, what's that word called? Confidence when you're driving. Sticks to the road as well, doesn't come out.
What do you reckon about this or the K24?
You know what? I reckon the EK, man. NA power, man. NA power. The high comp engine just makes the car feel more lively, I reckon. You know what I'm saying, man? Yeah. It's now the second day. I'm going to show you what I've done. If you look here, it's looking much cleaner. Just gonna sort these little bits and bats out. Get some new brakes on it as well. Engine's looking much cleaner now. Gonna change the rocker cover as well. That's gonna take that off soon. Get it out. Even this side as well. So glad there's no holes. But yeah, it's gonna stay underneath the covers for a bit of a while. Tried starting it yesterday. It's not starting. I think water's got into one of the plugs, so I'm gonna order a new crank sensor because there's no spark going into the spark plugs. So once that's done, I'll show you how it runs. That's it for now. Make sure you check the next video. Peace.